Now 4.4 says that hence or otherwise calculate this value here, right? So you need to calculate this value here, the sum of this, and add it with the sum of this, right? So we can simply just do these sums individually, right? We're having a sum of 5,000, which is the top value, n is equals to 1, right? And an equation of 2n plus 3, and this sum is added with the sum of 4999 starting at n equals to 1 minus 2n plus minus 2n minus 1. Right, so this is the sum. So we can just calculate each sum individually and just add both, right? So what you're going to do is this: you're going to say, okay, find the sum of 5,000 at the top, n equals to 1, of 2n plus 3, right? So for this one here, we know very well that n, when n is equals to 1, so it's going to be 2, 1 plus 3, giving us 5. When n equals to 2, 2 into 2 plus 3 equals to 7. When n equals to 3, so it's 2 into 3 plus 3 equals to 9. So this, if you remember clearly, it's from the previous question that we found. It's going to be 5, 7, and 9. So that is our sequence. And to find the sum for this sequence, we know the difference here is equals to 2. So that's our common difference. So, and the number of terms is n being equals to top minus bottom plus 1. So the top is this 5,000 here, bottom is this one, and then you just add 1. So the number of terms is going to be 5,000 minus 1 plus 1, so it's definitely 5,000. So to find the sum, so you're just going to say the sum as n is equals to n over 2 into 2a plus into n minus 1 multiplied by d, right? And we want the sum of how many terms? 5,000 terms. So it's going to be 5,000 divided by 2 into 2. Our a value is 5. It's going to be 5 plus into 5,000 minus 1. 5,000 minus 1, close bracket, multiplied by our common difference of 2, close bracket, and you should punch this into the calculator and you'll get a value of 25020,000. Right, so you're having your 25,020,000. So that is the sum of this expression here, right? This one here. So now we're going to find the sum of this one here and then add both together. So for us to find that sum, we're just going to write sum of 4999 when n is equals to 1. It's minus 2n minus 1. So when n is equals to 1, to find the first three terms, right? So we're just going to say minus 2 into 1 minus 1. So the first term it's minus 3. When n is equals to 2, minus 2 into 2 minus 1, and another term is 5. So when n is equals to 3, minus 2 into 3 minus 1, you're just going to get minus 7. So these are your three terms. So you have minus 3, minus 5, minus 7. So these are the three terms of this sum here. So now we need to find the common difference between these two. So minus 5 minus minus 3, you're going to get minus 2. So the common difference is minus 2. And the n value is equal to top minus bottom plus 1. Top is this 499, so it's going to be 4999 minus the bottom, which is 1, plus 1. So your n value is equal to 4999, right? So you have your a value, you have your d value, you have your... So a value is equals to this minus 3 here, right? So it's going to be minus 3. Our d is equals to minus 2. And our n is equals to 4999. So you can find the sum. So it's going to be Sn is equals to n over 2. into 2a plus into n minus 1 multiplied by d. So the sum of 4999 is equal to 4999 divided by 2 into 2. Our a value is minus 3 plus into 4999 minus 1. Our common difference is minus 2. Let me write it nicely here. So common difference is minus 2. And the answer that we need to get here is equals to minus 24999,999. So this is the sum of this problem here. So remember that we had an expression and we asked to calculate the sum of 5,000 on top there, n is equals to 1, having 2n plus 3 plus the sum of 4999 n equals to 1 of minus 2n minus 1, right? And excuse me, and the sum that we found for the first expression here, we found the sum of 2502000 and plus the sum of the second expression we found to be minus 24999,999, right? So you're just going to add both sums and you will get the answer of 20,001. So this would be your final answer of this expression here. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, suggestions, or comments, please write them down in the comment section below. Otherwise, please subscribe to the channel and don't forget to click that bell button.